Alright, Lego fanatics, we're back. I'm going to build some stuff here. I'll put this on here like this. I'll put this here. I'll put this here. And now I have two stickers. I have one. It's a little square. It's going to go this way. Like that. And then this, got this thing. Let's see how this is sitting. Okay, this one's gonna go like, oop. I hate it when I get them crooked. Okay, back. There you go, just like that. Okay, and then this is going to go here, like that. Got this handlebar deal going on. I'm going to take this and I'm going to put one here, like this. Then I'm going to turn around, another one like this. Okay, and then the bottom one's going to have this in it. And this is going to go where? Oh, okay. So this is going to go here. And this is going to go like that. Okay, and then this goes where? This goes right here, like that. And then we'll put this on here like this. And we're going to raise these handlebars up if I can get them to work. Seems like nothing wants to work when you put it together. Oops, that is not how that goes. That goes like this. And this goes right on here like that. Actually, I think this goes like, there we go. And this goes like this and sits like that. Okay. Now, this is now going to sit, this thing's gonna be a pain in the butt. Stay. Thank you. Okay. So how far am I coming back with this? I'm gonna guess right to there. Yep. Okay, so equal, even pressure. We'll put this thing together for you. Just like that. And then this is gonna sit like that. This thing is being a pain, but that's okay. So there's the inside of the cockpit. You can see it. It's kind of neat. And all these little instrumental things. This has got a lot of good detail on it. I like it. Okay, so like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.